Today we are going to show you how to use primer by SpexCrete. All you have to do is follow these easy steps. First, you have to start by shaking it. Make sure not to dilute, it will come ready to use. And then some more until the primer inside feels consistent. Just open it up. If you intend on using less than the bucket, just use our small opening in the lid. Next, just pour into your sprayer. The liquid appears like milk. Seal the remainder of the container and pop that opening back in. After pumping, now just spray your desired area. Next, brush or broom the area to make sure you have the proper coverage on the surface. Then we just wait. Typically in about 1 hour or so, your primer will lose its milky coloring and become clear and dry. Once it is fully clear, the floor will be ready to be topped. If you want the latest SpexCrete videos, please like and subscribe.